So first, let's change this boring one color main menu background to something better. So, let's head over to our project folder. Then game folder. Then images folder, then BG folder. Let's pick this background. Copy the file. Head over to GUI folder, and paste it here. Copy this name, delete this image. Replace this name with the one we copied. Then copy this image and paste it here. Now copy this name. Delete this image. Replace this name with the one we copied. Let's check. Press Shift+R to reload. And look, now we have a nice looking main menu background. Now click on About. Let's say we want to change all these. Head over to options.rpy, scroll down. Erase this. And type what you want to show in your About section here. Press Enter twice to show the next line in a new paragraph in your About section. Let's check. And it's showing, good. Now let's get rid of this part. And this over here. Head over to screens.rpy. Press Ctrl+F and search for About. Press Enter 7 times. Close this. Remove this part except for the quotations. Then remove this line, and we'll just write made with ren'py. Let's check. And voila, nice and clean. Now let's remove this. In screen.rpy. At line 375 and 376, just put hashtags in front of these two lines. Press Shift+R to reload. And it's gone, nice. Now let us add in a main menu music. Head over to options.rpy. Scroll down to line 66. Remove this hashtag. Replace this with your own music file. For us, we'll use this MP3 file. Inside the quotations, type audio/piano_BGM.mp3. Ctrl+S to save. And it's working, but the music doesn't stop even when we start the game. To fix that, go back to our script.rpy. Just after label start, type stop, space, music. Shift-R to reload. If that does not work, close and restart the game. And it's working. The music has been stopped. Now let's say we want to add music while the game is playing. To do that, just type play, space, music, space, open double quotation, audio/piano. Underscroll, BGM.mp3. Close double quotation. Let's check. And it's working, good. So now let's stop this music or it'll keep on looping. Since we have two labels, in starting of both the labels, we'll type stop, space, music. Let's check. It's working, oink. Now play music will keep on looping what you play. Let's say we want to play a sound which will only play once and not loop. To do that, type play, space, sound, space open double quotation, audio, /. We'll use this sound. Type svn.mp3. Close double quotation. Let's check. It works, it played only once and did not loop. Now before building our game for Windows, we would want to safeguard our game assets. To do that, head over to options.rpy. Scroll down. Remove this and type build .archive. Open bracket, open double quotation, scripts, close double quotation, comma, space, open double quotation, all, close double quotation, close bracket. Then copy this. Come down, paste it. Replace scripts with images. Come down, paste it, again. Replace scripts with audio. Come down. Type, build, classify. Open bracket, open double quotation, game, /, asterisk, .rpy. Close double quotation, comma, space. Open double quotation, scripts, close double quotation, close bracket. Copy this. Come down and paste it. Add a C here. Come down and paste it again. Replace scripts with images. Replace RPY with PNG. Come down and paste it again. Replace scripts with audio. Replace RPY with MP3. So we did this so that when we build our game for Windows, our game assets will be archived and safe from anyone trying to use them without permission. If we don't do this, our game assets will be lying openly for anyone to access them. Now open the tutorial pack folder. Copy this icon. And paste it here in our project folder. You can also replace this image in the GUI folder with this one here. Now let's select our project. Click on Build Distributions. We'll uncheck Macintosh, make sure this one to checked. Then click on Build. I'll fast forward this since my laptop is slow. And here it is. Let's extract it here. Our icon worked. Our assets are safe. Let's play the game. So everything is working all fine. I know this tutorial is a bit messy, but I hope it will be of your help in making a simple and fun visual novel. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your support.